Hello! A whole month has gone by and it's time to record another song for Truro Folk Session. So this is a song I would have liked to have recorded it outside. In fact, I just went out and looked to see if I could find any moonlight. But it's a cloudy night, so none to be seen. But it's a song all about nature and being outdoors. But never mind, I've come in again and it means I can use the piano, slightly out of tune though it is. And the song is called Now Westlin Winds by Robert Burns. Now Westlin winds and slaughtering guns bring autumn's pleasant weather. The moorcock springs on whirring wings among the blooming heather. Now waving grain wide o'er the plain delights the weary farmer, and the moon shines bright as I rove by night to muse upon my charmer. The partridge loves the fruitful fells, the plover loves the mountains, the woodcock haunts the lonely dells, the soaring heron the fountains. In lofty groves the pigeon roves, the path a man to shun it, the hazel bush o'erhangs the thrush, the spreading thorn the linnet. But Peggy dear, the evening's clear, thick flies the skimming swallow. The sky is blue, the fields in view all faded green and yellow. Come, let us sway our gladsome way and view the charms of nature. The rustling corn, the fruited thorn, and every happy creature. We'll gently walk and sweetly talk while the silent moon shines clearly. I'll clasp thy waist and fondly pressed swear how I love thee dearly. Not vernal showers to budding flowers, not autumn to the farmer, so dear can be as thou